What if I told you there's a way to legally pay less tax in Canada, get money back from the government, and build your retirement at the same time? Yet thousands of Canadians avoid it, misuse it, or withdraw from it too early and lose the biggest advantage. Today we're breaking down the real pros and cons of the RRSP, so you can decide if it's a wealth-building tool or a tax trap. Welcome to invesYou, where we make money simple and practical for everyday Canadians. If you want to master your money, build passive income, and invest with confidence, hit subscribe, like this video, and join the invesYou community. Let's get into it. What is an RRSP? An RRSP, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, is a government-approved account designed to help Canadians save for retirement. Here's the simple version. You contribute money, you get a tax deduction today, your investments grow, tax-free, while inside you withdraw later, and pay tax when your income is usually lower. Think of it as delay the tax now, so your money can grow faster. RRSP PRO's immediate tax refund. Let's say you earn $75,000 per year and contribute $10,000 to your RRSP. That contribution could generate a tax refund of $3,000 to $4,000, depending on your province. That's not a bonus. That's your own tax money, returned to you. Smart investors take that refund and reinvest it. That's how compounding accelerates. Tax-deferred growth. Inside an RRSP, no capital gains tax, no dividend tax, no tax on growth. Your money compounds faster because nothing is being shaved off every year. Over 25-30 years, this difference can mean hundreds of thousands of dollars. Home Buyer's Plan, HBP. First-time home buyer. You can withdraw up to $35,000 tax-free from your RRSP to buy a home. That's powerful. You're using your retirement savings to build an asset, without paying tax today. Lifelong Learning Plan, LLP. You can also use your RRSP to fund education for yourself or your spouse. That means investing in your income potential, tax-free upfront. Forced long-term discipline. Because withdrawals are taxed, your RRSP protects you from emotional spending. It turns short-term earners into long-term investors. RRSP coins. Now let's talk about what nobody tells you. 1. Withdrawals are taxed. Every dollar you withdraw is added to your income. So if you pull out $20,000, it's taxed just like a salary. And there's also withholding tax immediately taken off the top. This makes RRSPs bad for short-term savings. 2. Contribution room is limited. You only get 18% of your income per year. And if you over-contribute, there's a penalty. So this account rewards planning, not guessing. 3. It can affect government benefits. Large RRSP withdrawals in retirement can reduce Old Age Security, OAS, Guaranteed Income Supplement, GIS. That's why strategy matters. 4. Not always ideal for low-income earners. If you're in a low tax bracket today, the deduction isn't very powerful. In that case, a TFSA might be the better first move. RRSPs are most powerful when you contribute at a high income, withdraw at a lower income. That's the tax arbitrage strategy. Relatable, real-life scenarios. Let's make this real. Worker earning $95K RRSP, so huge refund, plus retirement tax savings. Strong choice student or low-income earner, RRSP deduction is small. TFSA, first may be smarter. Future home buyer, RRSP becomes a down payment tool through the HBP. This is why personal finance is personal. So, is the RRSP good or bad? It's one of the most powerful wealth tools in Canada, when used at the right time, in the right income bracket, with the right strategy, not before, not blindly. If this video helped you understand RRSPs in plain English, smash the like button and share it with someone planning their financial future. Subscribe to invesYou for simple, practical strategies to build wealth, reduce taxes, invest with confidence. And remember, the goal isn't just to save money, it's to make your money work for you. See you in the next video.